How to get deleted photos back on iPhone. To get deleted photos back on your iPhone, at first you need to open up Settings on your iPhone. Then, scroll all the way to the end and tap on Apps. From here, you need to tap on the Photo application. Then, go to this iCloud Photo option. After that, toggle on the option. Now, minimize the application. Go to Safari browser on your iPhone. Then, go to this website. Now, select a photo from the gallery. Then, tap the share icon at the bottom left corner. Anyone with access to the link will be able to view your photos. Go back and tap on the three dots at top right corner. A drop-down will appear. Tap on Download. Now, hit the Download button. After that, tap this icon over here. Then, go to the Downloads option. There you go, you have successfully got your deleted photos back from your iCloud. By following these simple steps, you can easily get deleted photos back on your iPhone.